How to install iOS 18 public beta on iPhone X. So let's get started. Firstly, you will have to make sure that your iPhone is running iOS 16.4 or later. So if that is done, then simply tap on the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is tap on the general option available there. Once you tap on the general, simply tap on the software update option available there. Now again, once inside the software update, you will get to see beta update option available there. Simply tap on the beta update and tap on the iOS 18 beta update option available there, and it will be downloaded. Once the installation is complete, your device will restart and boot into iOS 18. You are now ready to explore the new feature in iOS 18. Keep in mind that beta software may have bugs and some apps may not work as expected. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.